we're heading to Cairn today. It's the same road as the other day, so I've left the camera off. I'm going to switch it on when we get off this road on the way to Cairn. Bit low flying cloud, but it's dry. Hi. Right, we've turned off, we're on the road to Cairn. Just pulled over. It's a few miles to go yet. It's down in the valley down there. We're above the clouds and it's quite warm now. So we'll just carry on and see what. Another nice view of the mountains over there as well. I'll leave the camera rolling so you can see what it's like. Knock the lid down. It's a better road than what I thought this. Thought it was a single track road. Well, it might be further down. Little villages dotted around in the mountains, miles from anywhere. And the cloud's going to block the view out of the mountains. If we're in luck, like the sun might burn the cloud away. Now the road's deteriorated a bit. There's a little village clinging to the side of a mountain. Bus. Well, I hope Mac is down here. We missed the turn off the other day to come here and it was cloudless, but never mind, still great. This is what biking's all about. Getting off the beaten track. Macca's bike there. What a lovely place. There's Macca there.
Best place ever.
Huh?
Best place ever. Macca here.
Oh, he's in there. Just seen him. There's his bike. Around the corner.
Yeah, let's get a cuppa.
How to pity them clouds are there, isn't it? A last look round Cairn before we start away. I think if everybody gets their own way, we'll be back here at some point in the future, all being well. We're just heading out to Las Arenas on the way to Potters, going down the AS 114, then on the way to Potters there's roadworks, so but I think we'll manage. Lovely bit road this. Goes on for about 12 miles. Panes. Right, we're just coming into Potters now. Another fine day. Bustling little town today, Potters. By the way, that's Mr. Max in front making a rare appearance on camera, so savour it because you don't see him very often.
We'll meet the front of here now. There's the cable car up there.
While you're watching, I'll probably not be able to see the cable car on the video.
It's like a horseshoe mountain. Just how I remembered it 8 years ago. You don't forget things like this in a hurry. There's the cable cars, if you can see them.
This was a queue for the cable car to get up the mountain, about 150 yards long, so I don't think we would manage to get up there today.
Just a whiz round, have a look at the scenery. I don't think we're going to get up there today because the queue's massive. There's the queue over there.
You need to be here 10 o'clock in the morning to get in the queue early.
Right. There's the lads there.
Oi.
The bed bugs.
Bed bugs united.
Well, that was went today. We didn't go up. The queue was over 100 yards long, so we give it a miss. Just had something to eat. We'll make our way back now. It's another red hot day. Place to get moving again, to get a bit of wind through us. On the road back to Picos now. Lovely road this as well. CM 185. Keep saying it like what you can't focus scenery here. Coming back into Picos, this seems down bank all the way. Coming into it, it didn't seem up bank at all. Might be optical illusion.
We're back in Picos now. When we get through here, we'll be saying goodbye, as that's where we hit the roadworks.
Come out of the heat and back into cloud cover. Still lovely. It's nice to be a bit cooler. He's one turn around, he's had enough.
This is where we'll leave it for today. It's the N625 with all the roadworks, so you're not going to miss nothing. Bye now.